Here's something I don't see a lot, but I do run into it every once in a while looking for video ideas on YouTube. And that's when somebody's building a home addition and they leave the existing roofing on and then install their roof fill right over the roofing. And I think the most sense I could make out of it is the fact that if it did rain or you ended up with some type of excessive moisture, it's not going to be going into the existing house, especially if someone's living in it. However, the part that doesn't make sense to me is the fact that you're going to have to remove a section of shingles around the perimeter of the fill area so that you can install the new roofing materials anyway. This is the fill right here, the roof fill. And I've even seen people cut a section out. So they'll remove a section of the shingles underneath the fill area, but set the rafter support boards on top of it. And I get it. You might be only dealing with a ½ inch of material. And you might even be able to use stronger connectors. And if that's the case, why not remove the roofing and then use the stronger connectors anyway? And I've never installed the fill over any roofing, and I really don't know if a building inspector or an engineer wouldn't approve it anyway. So that part you might be able to rationalize. The part that you cannot rationalize is the fact that you're going to have to remove some of the roof shingles anyway, around the perimeter, maybe up to a foot away from the edge of the roof sheathing here, especially when dealing with composition shingles. Now, obviously, you're not going to be able to do this with a shake roof, cedar shingles, or tile, even though I've seen it done over wood shingles and wood shakes. I came across a project one time where they had installed the roof framing over the shake shingles. Now we're talking about 1.5 inches thickness from the roofing materials or even more. And it made my job easy because when I went to remove the roof framing that was sitting on top of the roof shingles, it simply came up with the roof shingles. And most of the nails never even made it into the existing roof sheathing.